Hello everyone to yet another video. Welcome to yet another weekly analysis. This past week, this is the first this is the last quarter for this is the last month for the first quarter. It's a time where we have to recollect and see what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong. That's what I'm saying to you. So what I will urge you lot to do this month is to try to follow your plan as much as possible. Try to follow your trading plan, trading routine as much as possible, so you can be able to recollect and reassess yourself for the next quarter that's coming. Because you have to treat this like a business. It's not just You're not just here to press push a couple of buttons and then money falls out of the sky from nowhere. But you have to assess yourself, like, because you need to understand that success is not just about what you have. It's about who you are. That's what it is. The first thing about success is about who you are. So if you're not someone who can handle success, then you're not going to handle success. So if you grow into someone that's able to think successfully, then it will come. You see what I'm saying to you? So you have to work on yourself first. So I would advise that you have journals, you know, that help you track what you do, track where you make mistakes. And most one thing most people don't understand is that immediately they make money in the market, immediately they make they hit a profitable trade or whatnot. They don't go back to see what they did wrong or right. Because you need to understand the fact that you've made money in a trade does not mean you might have been right. You need to hold yourself accountable. Trust me. This is a skill where you have to tell yourself the truth every time. If you're bad, you're bad. If you're good, you're good. You see what I'm saying to you? You cannot lie to yourself, because at the end of the day, you're doing yourself more disservice. You see what I'm saying to you? So what I would advise is that you know, be truthful to yourself. If it's not going well, it's not going well. That's one thing I learned. I'm not going to tell myself, oh, it's good when it's not going well. When it was not going well, I told myself, oh yes, this is not going well. You see what I'm saying to you? And I sought out knowledge. You know, but now it's looking good. Now I don't know the last time I took a loss, but you need to understand that even when you hit a profitable trade, even when you take a USD CHF trade and it hits take profit, and you know fully well that you did not follow your trading plan to the latter, trust me, that trade is a bad trade. The only difference is that you did not hit stop loss. So that's just a little pep talk for to motivate you lot, to give you an insight on on the path you're on right now. Because this is a path less traveled. Trust me, if it were easy, people would not become lawyers and doctors. But moving on, uh, for the week we have two pairs, but I'll talk about some other one. You Cat Jipo, I need you to understand something. For the week, I have two pairs just lined up, And last week I was able to pass. As from the video you can see, obviously, because I'm not here to sell nothing. I don't need to sell course or none of that, you know. But you need to understand is that for the everything I post on here is going to be truthful. Nothing is fabricated, So I took one trade last week. That was USD CHF, right? Let me see. Yeah, I think so. Yes. So I took one trade last week, USD CHF, and it was beautiful. It was great. It was very beautiful. And it was great, and it's. Sorry, you are still in this week, right? So from Monday, I took a trade on USD CHF, and it hit my take profit like on Tuesday or something. So it was a good trade. How was it a good trade? Because I followed my plan, not because I profited. Trust me, a good trade is not when you make money in the market. A good trade is when you follow your plan. Because listen, the only thing that separates us from other people is that you follow your plan. That's what I said before. Success is who you are. If you are someone who does not know how to follow your routine, if you are someone who does not have self-discipline, it's going to affect your trading. I'm telling you, it's going to affect your trading. You know what I'm saying to you? So it's going to affect everything. Just like the way you do something is the way you do everything. So it's going to affect your trading. I'm telling you. So along the line, you will learn that the only way to assess yourself if you are profitable or not is when you follow your trading plan. Most of us on here, the only time we take losses is when we break our trading plan. Just the little things. You might be waiting for a bearish engulfing, or you might be waiting for a chart pattern, and then you're like, it's looking good. You place your trade and you take a loss. You see what I'm saying to you? So I took USD CHF last week on Monday. So it hit my take profit around here. This was my take profit. It hit my take profit around here, and I made 4%, and I risked only 1%. You hear people say, "Oh, I made $5,000. Oh, I made $10,000." Trust me, it's not about the money. It's about assessment. Ask them how much, how many percent did they make. Then you will hear them say, oh, maybe like 0.5, or maybe like 1%. Why? Because they 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 measure their success off of money and not off of percentages. Here is algorithms. That's what we do on here. It's all about percentages, not even about dollars. You see what I'm saying to you? So when I'm talking to somebody about their ROIs, I'm not going to be asking, oh, how much is it? No, 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 no. I'm going to be asking how many percent. What's the risk to reward? My risk to reward on here was 1 to 4. I risked 1% and I made 4%. Easy, quick, and I made $200 off of it. You see what I'm saying to you? That's how it was. That's how it is. There's no sugar coating. There's no sugar coating anywhere. You see what I'm saying? If I make a profitable trade of $10,000, and trust me, it's gonna happen soon. I'm not gonna say, oh, I made a profitable trade of $10,000. No, I made so and so percent. That's how to motivate people. That's how to tell the truth of what you're doing. You see people say, oh, but anyway, let me move forward. Let me move forward and make this video short. So, uh, the routine: break and retest. There's nothing else. There's nothing else to do. There's nothing else to say. Break and retest. So I waited for a retest here on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, I waited for a retest around here on this price on the 4 hour. As you can see, we have a chart pattern. What do we have? We have break of structure. We did not get the show that we were expecting, but we're able to get in on the 1 hour a quick entry. You know, so moving on. Now we've come into an era again. It's the same thing, rinse and repeat. Whatever happened here, I'm expecting it to happen here. Trust me, it is not hard. It is not hard at all. Whatever happened here, I need it to happen here. So if you can see this box has been marked up because I need the amount of consolidation that happened here. I need it to happen here. So I have a box marked up and it helps me visualize it properly. But and you can see my take profit is my TP1 is already marked up. This you see, I'm able to tell you where I'm going to get in, how I'm going to get in, where I'm going to get out of, even before I execute the trade. That is planning. Most people get into a trade and then they don't know where to get out of. Most people get in a trade and then greed strikes. You see what I'm saying to you? But you can see right here, I'm able to know, okay, I'm able to tell you my take profit is here. I'm able to tell you, okay, I need this to happen. Even before the trade gets to my area of interest, even before I execute the trade, I know how it's going to end because I have it planned out. And I'm going to follow that plan to the letter because every time I break my trading plan in the past, I will take a loss. Every time you break your trading plan in take profits, you will take a loss at the end of the day because why? You've let your money go back, you've let your money, you've let your profits run back into losses because of greed. Oh, it's going to go down. It's going to keep going down. We don't know that, but we know where it's going to end. We know where it might get to. We know where it might. You see what I'm saying to you? You don't know that. You don't know that. You cannot tell the market what to do. The market tells you what to do. And the market has said, this should be my take profit. How do I know that? All I have to do was, the same way I use the last consolidation, in the same way I use the last impulse. And then I do this, and then, I measure the last impulse, and then take profit one is this. Trust me, it works. You see, you know what's going to happen here. Hold me accountable. Next week, when I'm making a review, if I enter this trade at all, because I have another one, it's 2 pairs for the week. If I enter this trade, USDC trade, if I'm able to take the trade, and then you see my TP1 will be at the same price. You see, when the market gets here, it's gonna reject. That's how precise it is. Because why? It has fulfilled its impulse. Now it has to relax. You see what I'm saying to you? Now it has to relax. The market is not just gonna fall because you want it to fall. Moving forward. So USDCHF is quite simple. We need rinse and repeat. We need this to happen here on the 4 hour, and then we shorted it all the way to the downside. For the next pair is USDCHF. Sorry, USDJPY. USDJPY is on the midterm reversal right now. You see what I'm saying to you? We're bullish on the monthly time frame, but you know, you know, we can take trades on the weekly and the daily because the other pairs, the dollar pairs, we like the Euro USDs, the GBP USDs. They don't look good for us. They're not in tune with our plan. You see what I'm saying to you? They're not in tune with our trading strategy. So we cannot pay attention to them right now because if I was to act impulsively because it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, then I'll take a loss. So USGPY, the same thing we said, break and retest. We need the market to fall to do the same thing. We need the market to do the same thing it did here. I need it to do it here. Simple. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. And if you see, I'm following the same plan every time, and that's how it is. All you have to do in trading is just pick one plan. Pick a trading style, pick a trading plan, and execute. Make sure you're consistent in that one thing. In that one thing. And that's what I'm planning to do here. So I need the you might notice that I didn't mark up a box because it has already completed the consolidation. All I need now is for you to give me an entry. So this will be my take profit one, and then I will move majority and let the rest run to the downside. Now there's something I was going to show you lot. Catch JPY. Now see, this is a typical top down analysis. This is what a typical top down analysis. Now if you look on CAD JPY, I'm not trading CAD JPY for the month, for the week rather, because it hasn't given me the entry I need yet. So it's cooking, it's cooking right now. It's cooking. So let it cook. You see what I'm saying to you now? I need you to use logic. Don't think as a trader right now. If you're watching the video, you're not a trader. You're just watching for fun. You know, just look. Let's look at this logically. Let's look at it what logically. Now, if you look to the left hand side here, if you look to the left hand side, right here, yeah. What do you think should happen? What do you think should happen? What do you think might happen? The market has gotten to the left hand side. The last time the market got here, the last time the market was here was 2007. If you look to the bottom, it's 2007. If you look here, it's 2007. That's the last time the market got here to this price, 2007. Now, coming into 2024, the market got all the way here. So the last time we were here was 2007. Now you might have heard this phrase that goes, history repeats itself. What do you think is going to happen? It's going to drop. It's going to drop. Now, that's just one confluence, right? The past is one confluence. Now we need signs, chart patterns, signs that a U-turn is about to happen. Signs that what a U-turn is about to happen. We have head and shoulders. Now, if you look at this, if you look at this diagram right here, this blue diagram right here, you would notice that it looks familiar. You see what I'm saying to you? It looks similar, does it not? And it looks familiar because I've talked about it before in the old videos. You see what I'm saying to you? It looks similar, does it not? Does not it looks similar, right? So now we have two confluence. We have two things that is telling us okay, the market could drop. We have chart pattern telling us okay, the market is giving us a U-turn. Now, if you the higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. If you see a double top or a trend line, whatever, on the monthly time frame is stronger than the weekly. You see what I'm saying? So it's just like that. So on the monthly time frame, we have gotten into this same place that collapsed the market all the way to this side. You see what I'm saying to you? That collapsed the market to what all the way to this price. Now, for just coincidentally, magically, we've gotten back to that place. What do you think is going to happen? It's going to bounce all the way to this side. But I'm not going to tell you it's going to bounce all the way to this side because the market moves mysteriously. So the first level target, that's why we have levels. We have what level? So the first level target is here. 97,000, 95 point, sorry, 97,500. This is our first level target here because everything works levels to levels. This is our first level target because when I was trading CAD JPY, if you've noticed, like past 3 weeks, when I was trading CAD JPY, we're around here. We're trading inside this space right here. We're trading inside this space. When I was trading CAD JPY a long time ago, we're trading inside this space, right? So this was our first target. Now, guess what has happened? We've broken this target. We've cleared this target. We're now beneath this target. Where do you think the market is going to next? This target. That's how it is. That's how easy it is. But it took me a couple of years to understand. But that's how easy it is, right? That's how easy it is. You see what I'm saying to you? That's how easy it is. So, KJPOA is not ready yet because it hasn't given me the opportunities I'm looking for. I go again. It hasn't given me what the opportunities I'm looking for. So I need it to be ready. I need it to ready itself. So, but when KJPY gives me the opportunity I'm looking for, I will focus only on KJPY until it tells me otherwise. Why? Because I like a pair that has the monthly, the weekly, and the daily in confluence. USGJPY does not have the monthly, weekly, and daily confluence. USGJPY only has the weekly and daily in confluence. It's a good pair. It's a good time to trade it cautiously, but I am more confident. I am more confident. You see what I'm saying to you? When a pair has the three time frames in sync, I am more confident. But am I not still confident on USGPY? Yes, I am. Of course, I am because it's my skill, so I know what to do. I know what to do. But I have to just focus on it. I have to follow it judiciously. You see what I'm saying to you? So when the time comes, because it's all about grading. Right now, there is nothing for me to trade that says, okay, that is A list. I have nothing that is of my A list for me to trade, but I have something of the B list for me to trade. So I trade it. You see what I'm saying to you? So that's why I'm focusing on USDJPY, USDCHF. But immediately CAD JPY turns into my A list, gives me entries that I need from the A list. I focus only on the A list. You see what I'm saying to you? I focus for only on the A list. But anyway, these are the these are the pairs for the week. These are the analysis for the week. So I hope it makes sense to you. I hope you keep working hard, you keep focusing, even when people tell you it's a waste of time. Because trust me, you'll be told it's a waste of time. You'll be told it doesn't work, but just keep on going. Because at the end of the day, those same people are the people you're going to help at the end of the day. You see what I'm saying to you? You just have to keep going. Those same people that tell you, oh, it's not going to work, you waste your time. Those same people are the people you're going to help. I'm not saying you're going to show them. No, help. That's why we're doing what we're doing. We're not doing it to show anybody. We're not doing it to prove anybody wrong. We're doing it to help. If you still see the story of Joseph in the Bible, he didn't go telling his brothers, "Oh, shame on you." He didn't go telling his brothers, "Oh, you're going to serve me. You're going to serve me." Now he didn't go telling his brother, "Oh, it's time to pay you back." No, he said, "The Lord sent me ahead." That's what I'm saying to you. So you need a purpose. If you have a dream, if you have a vision, keep on going. It's going to get harder than it is right now. You see what I'm saying? You might think, oh, because you get profitable, things should be easy. No, when you get profitable, more issues are going to come. That's life. In the Bible, it says, "It is so that man does not know his future." If you know when you're going to die, if you know how tomorrow is going to be, why would you need God? So keep on going, keep on praying. You see what I'm saying? Keep on following your plan. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. Ciao, ciao. Have a great week.